Good morning, Miss Nelson's class. How are we doing today? Are we rolling out of bed like roly-polies? All right, well, today it's almost the end of the week. It's Thursday, April 23rd. Ooh, I got to get this down. April 23rd, 2020, 4-23-20. Do you guys see my special note down here? It says, Happy birthday, Beepin. So I hope he sees this. Happy birthday. I hope you have a terrific day today and all your wishes come true after you blow out those birthday candles. Okay, so yay, everyone have warm thoughts towards Beepin today because it's his birthday. Okay, well, not a whole lot of stuff is happening. We've got, don't forget our class check-in at 11:30 to 12. You guys, seriously, I sit on there on Zoom just waiting for anybody. So if you are confused on a homework or your child is frustrating you with a homework, have them come on there with me and I'll finish it up with them, okay? I'm there to help in any way that I can. I don't want anybody stressing out. This is really hard, but we will pull together. It takes a village, right? So I'm always here for you guys. Let's see. I get to see some friends today. I'm going to be talking to Sarai and Samba and Oz is coming on today. So yay, I'm really excited about that. Let me quickly go over what's on your one-pagers, and it's pretty easy today. Actually, yeah. So ELAR, we're trying something new. It's called Nearpod, and you'll see the link right here, and you'll just go right to the link. It's just an extra practice for them to work with informational text and to be able to identify what was the topic and then why was that an important topic that someone felt like needed to be written, right? And what did they learn? And that's it. It's just a little program. You go through a couple of pages. It has a book that they'll read. Now, at the very end, okay, it'll ask for, I think it's called open-ended question is what the screen will say, and then you click and it'll go to the question. And then it'll ask you to submit your work through Flipgrid. Do not, like capital D-O, capital N-O-T, do not click on that. It's a green button with a white T in the middle. Do not click on that to try to submit your work. We are not set up in Flipgrid, but I would like it if you guys would discuss it together. Okay, just a verbal discussion about what was it that you just read about? Why do you think that was important for someone to write about? And then what did you learn? Okay, and then that's it. I don't want to get too complicated. We're not set up in Flipgrid for you guys to be able to submit anything to me that way. Okay, and then I'll go quickly over because some of you guys are ready to take your performance task, which is A-okay. So performance task, up here on the very tip top of your one pager, you'll see that website, that link, that's classroom magazines dot da 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 da. You need to click on that link, okay? And then you'll click on grades 1 and 2, click week 2, scroll down to day 7, and the book they'll be needing to read is Car Safety. So it's exact same format that they'll need to do. They'll need to, this is not where you turn in your ice cream sundae piece of paper. You may use one to help you organize your thinking, but that is not what you turn in for your performance task. Your performance task is you actually writing it out in full sentences, okay? So just like what we did in lesson 3, we wrote, the first sentence was, the topic is, and then we wrote in what the topic was. This is important because, you tell me why this is important, and then give me at least 1 or 2 examples to back up why you think it was important. What did you learn? Okay, so that's how you can do your performance task. Then take a picture of it, and voila, send it to Miss Nelson. Okay, ooh, science. Well, I'll do science last. Math, it's pretty easy too. You guys have been working with math stories all week. Well, Mr. Kuhn just wants you to have a little fun and get creative and come up with your own math story, okay? But he does have certain words he wants you to include in your math story. So you need to include the words more and combined. So that will allow your reader to know what you are wanting to do with the numbers. So remember what more and the word combined mean. What will that tell the reader to do with the numbers that you give them in your math story? Are we going to subtract? Are we going to get rid of some? Are we going to add some? Okay, so you get to come up with your own math story today. So that's really simple. And then again, for your performance task, you'll just click, you'll go down to this bottom box. You'll click on the link. It'll take you to the worksheet, and you will work out your math story. Remember, please show me your work. Show me what strategies you're using, so that way if I can see if you're using them properly, or maybe guide you and like, ooh, don't forget if you do this strategy, do it this way. Okay, please don't just write the equation and the answer. Show me one of the strategies. We have shown you many, so just pick one. Okay, now science is so fun today. Go down memory lane, parents. Today you'll get to show a picture. Your parents will go and grab a picture of what they looked like when they were your age, right? Or as close as possible. I know some of you may not have maybe your pictures from first grade, but maybe somewhere, if you can, close by. And you guys are going to get to look at their picture and look at yourself and then compare. How do y'all look the same? How do you look different at this stage of life? Okay, so that was really fun. Kids always get a kick out of like, oh my gosh, you were a kid too? So that one's really fun today. Okay, and then for your performance task for science, you're going to look at this picture of the cub and the mom lion. Okay, and you're going to just write about how are they two similar? How are they alike? What characteristics do they have in common? That's it. You just look at this sweet little picture of this mom and her cub and tell me what they look like. Not what they look like, how they are alike, right? So easy peasy, lemon squeezy. All right, my friends, well, I think that is it. Again, I'm here for you guys. Please don't feel like you're bothering me or it's gonna stress me out if you reach out to me or you just need help or anything. I am here for you guys. I just want this to go as smoothly and as pain-free as possible for everybody. So, okay, well, I love you guys. I missed you. Have a fabulous day. It's almost Friday. All right, let's end with our Chisholm Creed. Here at Chisholm Ridge, we will show respect for each other, embrace our day with heart and soul, and do our best to meet our goal. Bye, guys.